49y square. That is the required answer. Next is simplify. 2x square minus 1 upon 400 into y square the whole square minus 2x square plus 1 upon 400 into y square the whole square. Now this you have to solve. Now what is this? Check this. Take this full as a and take this full as b. So what is this? A square minus b square. So what is the formula for a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b, right? See this. A plus b, a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. Same formula. So we have a means 2x square minus y square upon 400 plus b 2x square plus y square upon 400 into a minus b 2x square minus y square upon 400 minus, now check this, 2x square minus y square upon 400. See here, this is a, so minus is first, this is minus over here, minus over here, this is b, so first time everything is plus, second time everything is minus. So check what gets cancelled. Y square upon 400 gets cancelled over here, it becomes 4x square, and here 2x square gets cancelled. Now this becomes minus 2y square upon 400, right? 1y square, 1y square, 2y square, right? Gets cancelled, and solve this, and minus remains as it is. It is x square y square upon 50. That is the required answer. Next, if 3x plus 4y equals to 18 and xy equals to 6, find the value of 9x square plus 16y square. See the hint in this problem itself. 9x square is the square of 3x, 16y square is the square of 4y, and xy is given. So which formula will you use? A plus b the whole square, right? So a plus b the whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So similarly this. Now this is given as 18. So a square means 3x the whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 3x into 4y plus b square, 4y the whole square equals to 18 square, right? So 18 square is 324. So solve this. 9x square plus 24. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.